On Thing of the Week, we're going to make Christmas planters using mostly Dollar Tree stuff. Let's dive into it. These are the supplies you're going to need. So you're going to need some type of planter. I used a red one that we just had laying around, and you're going to want something inside it to add some weight. And then you're going to need something like a tomato cages that you may have laying around as well. We just took it from our garden. And then you're also going to need these next few supplies, including these garlands that are 15 feet each. You're going to need about 6 packs for this tutorial. And there's some accent items here, like we have red ribbon, we have these little silver decorations that come 3 a pack at the Dollar Tree that have clips on the back, which are great to attach onto the actual decoration when it's done. And we also have this red um, decoration with the clip as well on the back, again to attach. And in the decoration, there is a little present, there's a little drum, and there's a little acorn that's glittery red. So other than that, you can also use different accent pieces, whatever you really see. You might have some stuff lying around the house, like we inserted these little shiny kind of leaves in here, but you can really do whatever you want. From another dollar store here in Canada, it's called Dollarama. We had these wreaths just lying around, these little decorative ones that you'll see in my final photo that we added to the base. So next you're going to take the garland and you're just going to go around the entire tomato cage. So my recommendation is that when you get to those vertical 3 long lines that come up, all you're going to do is you're going to just twist the actual garland around them just for extra security, and then you're just going to keep going round and round and round as you see me doing here. So here's our final planters side by side with mostly Dollar Tree items. We hope you enjoyed this video and you'd make it with your family as we did. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.